sa dog, okay? Ipakiss sa talaga. Batson, dog, then kamunduha. Couple, bacho. Okay, round of applause, everybody. Count with me. 3, 2, held it up high, okay? 1, go! Okay, round of applause, everybody. Now we will have our messages from our selected guests. Since, can we start with the mother of our bride? Mother of our bride to give us a message, please. Alin na, sige na, message para sa iyong anak. Maulaw yun siya. Officer Franco na lang.
Maglama na siya.
Our most participative. Okay, excuse me.
Anaan lang, Ritso.
Can I have my papers? Where are my papers?
Sibot.
Okay.
Sibuti na lang. At least di pa maugdaw pa.
Poso Shideri, Mr. Franco. Pero dahil siya mensaje to La Copia.
Sibot ba sibot? Uy, sibot.
Mensaje.
Andate in Italia e fate tutto bel tranquillo, ok? Nagabot?
Sibot lang. Uy, sibot.
Sa sibot dali na ba kay kuan good? Dali na ba kay musar na ba? Kasi
Di pa maana.
di kan bulos.
Sibot lang.
Si Georgina, sibot si Georgina. Hi, Georgina.
Pass. One child. Okay? Can we now have the future wife of Mr. Franco to give us a message? Can we have Miss Jorenda, please?
Oh, kana.
Just one message in behalf of the parents of Sharon, so that you could share your advice, so that everyone will understand our language. One will represent from Philippines. Come on now. Ladies and gentlemen, please a round of applause to Miss Jorenda, please. Come on. Dupio. Okay. Just a short message you will advise to your friend. Come on. Ciao. Grazie.
Oh mamma mia!
Before we end our program, can we have our couple to give us a message? Sarah Delmo? Mensaggio to your wife, to Sharon, and to everyone, okay? Now can we have Sharon to please give us a message to your parents, to everybody, and to your husband.
Friends and family, I'd like to thank all of you for being here with us, and thank you for sharing this magical day with us. Daghang salamat sa inyong pag-admin. Salamat.
Mas na bride ayaw sa kuan. Ang ayanit sa chapel, sa kuan sa ay idat sa atira sa chapel sa
Hey, a round of applause once again to our newly wedded couple. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Carboni. So I wish you good to pagkabugoy. Okay. Okay, tell music please. So once again, thank you so much everyone for coming. Thank you so much La Mode Fashion. You can contact us at 254-7782. I am your host for this evening. Destilang Salibay.